Hi everyone, my name is Jagdish. Today topic is do while loop. In the previous video, I explained about what is loop, what types of loop is available in PHP. And I written and I written a program and executed a program on while loop, and now we are going to the do while loop. I am not going to much information about what is do while loop because I already explained in the previous video. If you want to know again, please go back and watch this video. I am just recalling the definition. What is do while loop is the code inside this block will be executed once without checking any condition. Even though condition is false, the code inside this code will be executed one time. After executing the first time, then it will checks the condition. If the condition is true, again the code is executed, and next and again checks the condition till the condition is true. The loop process will be the same pattern like while loop, but difference between while loop and do while loop is code inside the block in do while loop will executed with respect to the failure of the condition or the true or false. Okay, I am coming to the program. I am initializing x value as 1. Now the code first sorry the first code is sorry when we run this program, the x value will be printed. What is the x value for the first time? $x2. And next, after the executing this dollar, I already said that $x++ is x value will be incremented by the 1, and $x++ is its mean $x is equal to $x+1. Each time the loop is iterated means running at least running in a sequence of time. The x value will be incremented, so the x value is incremented 1 plus 1. X value is 1 because I am initializing x value is 1. If you are initializing x value is 0, that is a different story. Okay, so now the x value is 1. Now x value is holding it 2 value, and now it's second. Let's see, it will check the condition $x less than is equal to 5 h2. It goes to here and so on until the 5 until the x value 5 has holding the value of 5. It will the code inside the do while loop will be executed after this after completing the 5 times, because the condition is I want to run this code only for 5 times, not for the not after the fifth time. Okay, when we the x value is incremented by the x value is reach when the x value is reached sixth number, then the condition will be false and will come out of this loop. And executing this program. If you want to download this program, so I will it will available only for the registered users. Code is executed. Number is 1 2 3 4 5 till the condition is satisfied. The code will be executed. Now I will talk you. I said you the okay. This time this condition is true, but what will happen when this condition is false? It means what I'm trying to say is, I said you even this condition is false, the code is executed at least once. Now I am writing how I'm explaining. I'm taking some example. Just a little bit. Next now the x value is 11. The code inside the do while will be executed, and x value will be the 11 plus 1 12, and $x value contain 12 less than equal to 5. Condition is false, but what I said is at least one time the code will be executed. Now if you run this program, you can get it. The number is 11. You might have a doubt that uh, why the 1 to 5 numbers are not executed, because even though this condition is false, the lines which you written in this block will be executed at least once, irrespective of the condition true or false. Okay, if you want personal training, um, please contact us through visit this website. You may mail me jagdishdatta1@gmail.com and put in subject line, I need personal training. Okay, for those who are subscribed to our website, they can download this program, and they can download this program and also video also. Those who are those who need personal training is different from the regular training. I will spend 2 hours for each student. I will talk to them only. You know, I will talk to them only. He or she can ask me any doubts in 2 hours of the span of the time of each day. 1.5 hour course will be there, and 30 minutes doubts clearing section will be there. The course duration is fast track 2 months and 3 months long term course. Okay, at the end of the course, at the end of the course, you will get master in the PHP, not the basics. You can do the applications. You can do the applications like CRUD login, any applications you can do. Okay, thank you.